German celery root soup is a perfect starter for any fine dining experience. It is mild, creamy, and ready in no time. Let me show you very quickly how to make it. The first step is to chop the onion. Take a large pot and melt the butter in it. Add chopped onion and pinch of salt. In the meantime, when the onion is frying, peel and cut celery root and potatoes roughly. I was in a hurry, so I did cut myself, but the Max plaster with the teddy bears really helped with the bleeding. Peel and cut the apple into quarters and core it. When you're done with your preparation, add celery root, apple quarters, and potato cubes into the pot with fried onions. Fry all those ingredients on medium-high heat for 3 minutes, stirring constantly. Add the stock, bring it to a boil and cook for 20 minutes. When the vegetables are soft, blend the soup until smooth. And please use a blender. This hand mixer did a terrible job. To season, peel and press the garlic. Not too much, just a little bit for extra flavor. Season the soup with salt, pepper, nutmeg, and white or apple vinegar. Add cream, bring it to a boil and stir it well. Correct the seasoning if needed. I had to add more vinegar in the end. To serve, toast 2 tablespoons of almond cubes in a dry pan. This might take about 10 minutes, but it makes the soup look extra fancy. Other than this, the soup can be garnished with a bit of cream and parsley. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that you did like this recipe. The written recipe you're gonna find, as always, in the description box down below, along with other German Christmas recipes.